Look, it's official. I'm challenging you to make $10,000 in the next 30 days. And in this video, I'm gonna show you everything I'd do, step by step, to hit that 10K as fast as possible if I lost everything and had to start from scratch. My name's Fred, and I went from only having a few $100s in the bank, coming from a typical low middle class background, to building a high-ticket info business that's made me thousands of dollars in profit per day. Yes, you heard that right, per day. So feel free to ignore my advice if you want to stay broke. Now look, the truth is that 99% of people watching this video are, number one, not even gonna watch it until the end because they simply don't have the attention span for it. So that alone tells you something about their capacity for hard work and their capacity for building a business. And number two, even the people who do watch this video, most of them are not going to take action. So purely statistically speaking, you're probably gonna go right back to scrolling on TikTok or playing video games or doing whatever the hell you do to waste your time. And that is exactly why you're broke. That is exactly why you're stuck. And that's exactly why nothing in your life is changing. So if you're ready to actually do something different, if you're ready to stop passively waiting for your life to get better and actually do what you need to do, so you can make FU money, the kind of money that will make you free to do whatever you want, whenever you want, then keep watching, because I'm about to break down the exact framework that's gonna change your life. The very first thing you need to understand is that urgency is non-negotiable. Comfort is the real enemy here. Most people, and I mean like 99% of people, they hate their situation. I know because I grew up in the low middle class. Nobody likes it. People hate their job. They hate being broke. They hate living paycheck to paycheck. They hate asking other people for money. They hate all of it. But you know what they do? They tolerate it. Why? Because it's familiar. They tolerate it because changing, doing something new, it's scary. Human beings don't like that. They tolerate it because they'd rather deal with the pain they know than face the fear of the unknown. And that's how people stay stuck for years, for decades, even for their entire lives. Change only happens when the pain of staying the same finally outweighs the fear of trying something different. I've been there, and that's why I'm only giving you 30 days. Without a clear deadline, nothing changes. Without urgency, procrastination wins every single time. You'll keep saying you'll start tomorrow, or next week, or when things calm down, or when you've got more money, or more time, or when you feel ready. And you know it's a lie. And before you know it, 5 years have gone by and you're still in the exact same spot you were in, or maybe even worse. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. I need you to understand that I'm not some trust fund kid. I'm not someone who had everything handed to them. I come from a low to middle class family. My parents were nurses and nursing assistants. We weren't homeless. We had a roof over our heads, food in our plate, but life was so fucking shit all the damn time. There was always stress about money, like the price of food. There was always tension at home, this feeling of just barely getting by. And ever since I was a kid, I knew I wanted more. I didn't want to work a job that would pay me $2,000 a month if I'm lucky. I didn't want to hate what I do and only live for the weekends so I can numb myself in front of the TV, because that's the only hobby I can afford. I didn't want 2 weeks of paid vacation a year, like that's supposed to be some big reward for grinding 50 weeks. I didn't want to wait until I'm 65 for retirement just to finally do nothing with whatever time I have left. That's bullshit. That's not a life. That's just existing until you die, and I refuse to accept that as my reality. So here's what you need to understand. Your background doesn't matter. Where you come from doesn't matter. What matters is your speed of action. What matters is whether you're actually gonna do something about your situation or just complain about it. Overthinking, perfectionism, waiting until you feel ready, these are silent killers. These are the things that keep you stuck way more than any external circumstances ever could. You don't need to be ready. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to start. Here's another truth that's gonna hurt you, but you need to hear it. Producers win. Consumers stay stuck. It's that simple. Wealthy people produce value. Average people consume entertainment. Look, Netflix isn't evil. Video games aren't evil. Scrolling through social media isn't evil either. But your priorities are completely backwards. You're spending 4 hours a day consuming content and then wondering why you're not making progress. You're spending your entire evening watching other people live their dreams on a screen and then complaining that you don't have a dream life. The internet is full of unseen young people, people you've never heard of, who are making serious money simply because they decided to produce instead of just consuming. They're creating content, they're pitching people their offer, they're reaching out, they're solving painful, expensive problems. And they started from scratch, and you're watching them do it while you stay stuck in the audience. So flip it, flip your priorities. Spend 4 hours producing and maybe 1 hour consuming. See what happens then. Now let's get into the actual framework. Making $10,000 online is simple. Notice I didn't say easy, I said simple. There's a big difference. Simple means it's not complicated. Pretty much everybody can do it. There aren't a million different steps. You don't need some crazy complex systems. But not easy means it requires work. It requires consistency, which most people can't fucking sustain for some reason. It requires you to do uncomfortable things. So here are the 4 steps to a 10K per month business online. First, you need an offer. You need to solve a painful problem for someone. Not a nice to have, a painful problem that someone will pay money to fix right now. Second, you need traffic. You need to put that offer in front of people, as many as possible. That means making content, outreach, direct messages, ads, whatever gets your offer in front of the most eyeballs possible. Third, you need sales. You need to actually sell high-value services or consulting. I'm talking $1,000 to $5,000 per client. If you want to make $10,000 in 30 days, you need 2 to 10 clients depending on your price point. That's it. Fourth, delivery. You need to actually deliver the results you promised, or at the very least help the person get the results, because you can't guarantee an outcome per se. That could be done with coaching, one-on-one, or group coaching. That could be a hybrid model where you have a course plus 1 weekly Q&A call, and then people can message you in between. Or it could be a done-for-you service for B2B clients. Pick one and go all in. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, if you're thinking, but I don't have any skills that I could sell for a high ticket, I don't have anything I could teach to anyone, and I don't know how to deliver awesome results. Great. Guess what? You can still get started by selling done-for-you services to businesses, and instead of doing it yourself, you get remote contractors to do that work for you. You can literally sell any service without knowing how to deliver that service yourself, simply by hiring someone who does. This is how real businesses work all over the world. Amazon doesn't manufacture most of the products it sells. CEOs don't do every single task in their company. They build systems, they hire people, they orchestrate, and you can do the exact same thing. Find a service that businesses need. It could be social media management, email marketing, website design, paid ads, appointment setting, etc. Just find one and sell it. Then find someone on Upwork or Fiverr or any other platform, it can even be Facebook group, who can actually do the work for less than what you charged. You keep the difference. It's called a margin. It's called running a business. And the best part is, you're learning about sales, business, and you're making money all at the same time. The only real risk is not starting. I can tell you for a fact, regret is way more painful than failure. I promise you that. Failing and learning something is infinitely better than looking back 5 years from now and wondering what if. So here's the challenge. You've got 30 days to make $10,000. You have the internet. You have time if you're watching this. You have the ability to reach millions of people with a phone or a laptop. The only question is whether you're actually going to do something with it or if you're going to keep making excuses. Most people watching this are going to do nothing. You're going to close this video and go back to your normal life. And that's fine. But some people, maybe just 1%, you're going to take this seriously. You're going to pick an offer today. You're gonna start reaching out to potential clients today, even if it's not perfect, even if you're scared. You're gonna create your first piece of content today. And 30 days from now, you're gonna be in a completely different position. Not because you got lucky, not because you had some special advantage, but because you decided to move with urgency and you refuse to stay comfortable. So what's it gonna be? Are you in or are you out? Drop a comment right now and tell me you're taking the challenge. I wanna see who's actually serious. If you wanna discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.